Hi, in this video I'll show you how to import customer orders from Excel or CSV. First, go to CSV dashboard, and from here select the CSV or Excel template that you prefer to use. Say I want an Excel template. Wait for a few seconds and it will generate a template. After a few seconds, it will show you a template looking like this. It has 10 columns. This is the week ending date and the customer number that you want to add an order on, and we have the product code, the description, the weekdays, and you'll put the quantities in here. So just fill it out, and then after doing so, save it, and you can save it in a location that's easier to find. And let me just fill it out, just 1 second. After doing so, click here to choose the CSV file.
Already selected and added the file. Now what we're going to do next is, depending on your selected template, we will click on the appropriate import customer order button. Since I used the Excel template, I'll use that. After a few seconds, a CSV or Excel file will be generated to let you know if there are any errors while importing the orders. If there are any, it should let you know which line item is having an error. In this case, there's no line item that is shown here, so there is no error. Once it's successfully imported, it will also automatically reflect on the customer dashboard. I hope this helps, and please let us know if you have further questions. Thank you.